Morning. You're Bernasha Gloston? And were you able to get someone hired?
Yeah.
Were you able to get a lawyer hired?
I talked to 3 lawyers, like you said. I talked to Lori Perezzo, her assistant Catherine. She said 5,000 through 7,000 was their price. I talked to Brittany Holmes, her like that's the
Mm-hmm.
She said 3,000 to 5,000, and Dustin Garmer is the one I'm considering going with. I talked to him through his main cell phone, and he said his prices was 8,500 to 3,500.
Okay.
So,
So how long do you think, you have the money to try to get him hired?
me and him discussed the case already. I talked to my uncle, which is the one who helps me pay.
Mm-hmm.
He said that I can, get to, like, I can go for him if that's what I want, because the man, everything he says sounds convincing.
Sure.
So
So if I reset your case one more time, you think y'all will be able to get Mr. Galmore hired?
yes, ma'am. If not, then I'll have to get a court appointment.
Sure. And so, you did everything. If you think you can afford him, I'll give you about 30 days or so to see if y'all can get that worked out. If not, when you come back, remind me of what you've done, and also talk to some others and bring me those names, because there may be some others that, go ahead.
Sometimes I be a little busy, because I called several ones before that,
They are.
Lori Perezzo, she was busy that day, because I think she was in court all day for criminal days.
Mm-hmm. You just have to keep trying them, but if you get him hired, bring the reset notice to him. If it's not going to work with him, talk to a few others, bring me those names, and then when you come back, we'll talk about a court appointed if that's not going to work out. Okay?
Yes.
All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset notice. Kelby Blanchette. Good. Are you Kelby Blanchette?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Blanchette, did you get someone hired?
Yes, ma'am.
Who'd you hire?
All right, Kimberly.
Is he going to be here this morning?
No, ma'am.
Did you pay him money?
Yes, ma'am. He gave me a receipt. I don't think he's gonna get it up, but he gave me a receipt.
Huh? He is. So do you still owe him some money? Is that, when are you going to get that paid?
Friday, next Friday.
Okay. So did he say he would, I'm thinking you probably need to get him paid off and then he'll send us the paperwork.
And I own like $200.
Right. So what I'm going to do is reset your case one more time. That'll give you time to get him all paid off, and then he can file the paperwork, and then that should take care of it, okay? Make sure you get that done and get a receipt and bring it with you next time, okay?
Can I have excuse for work?
Yes, sir. Ask the clerk. And if you'll make a notate, go ahead. At the bottom, if you'll make a notation that it's right and that he's already made a payment. Please, ma'am. Kevin Calise. Good morning. Are you Kevin Calise? And Mr. Calise, this is your initial appearance in cause number 24, DCCR 1948. You're charged with
Whoa. Theft of property. This is where things start heating up in court. Notice how the judge immediately anchors the charge to a specific date. That's important. It locks the timeline and stops any confusion later. Quick question for you watching. Do you think judges should recap charges this bluntly? Or does it make defendants even more nervous?
Charged with theft of property from July 1st of 2024. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? Did you get someone hired already?
I've talked to somebody, but I'm willing to get somebody hired.
So what I'll do is reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire somebody. If you get someone hired before that next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payments.
This is a classic proof you're actually trying moment. Judges don't want people coming back saying they couldn't hire an attorney when they didn't make any real effort. That's why she orders 3 consultations. It creates a paper trail and protects the court from from delays. This also tells you a lot about the judge's style. Firm, but organized. Very organized.
Plans, bring me back the names of who you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset notice. Diamond James. Good morning, ma'am. You're Diamond James. And did you get someone hired? Speak up, please.
No, ma'am.
Who'd you talk to?
I spoke with Kyle Walker. He said 7,500, but no payment plans on the down payment.
Okay.
I spoke with Jax or Macon.
Mm-hmm.
They said 7,500 as well. I spoke with Franklin and Associates. 10,000. The minimum is 7,500. 500 every 2 weeks, but the way we work has been going. The hours have not been 8 hours a day, so.
Right. So thank you for doing what I asked you. I'm going to let you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely because you're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct. So put whatever your bills are, whatever your income is, and then I'll take a look at it. If you step in front of the clerk, she'll give you that those instructions. Kingston Walker. When did you ask for a tech? How long? I was about to say that's been 35 minutes. Good morning. You're Kingston Walker? And Mr. Walker, you were previously here and given some time to hire a lawyer. Did you get someone hired?
I spoke to multiple lawyers and I chose a lawyer, but I just need time to forward the payment.
Who'd you talk to?
Burbanks.
Okay, and you're planning on hiring Mr. Burbank?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so, and you're working?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what I'll do is reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to see if you can get him hired. If you do, just bring that reset notice that you get today to him in his office and they'll tell you what to do. If for some reason it's not going to work out with Mr. Burbank, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 others. See if one of those works out. If fine, great. If not, bring me those names so I know you're trying, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you that reset notice. Tyron Williams. Good morning. You're Tyron Williams?
Ma'am.
And Mr. Williams, did you get someone hired?
Benjamin Jeffries, but I'm still trying to get some money together.
Okay, so you're planning on hiring Mr. Jeffries. Have you made any payments yet or not?
I want half of it before he started doing it.
Okay, so what I'll do is reset your case about 30 days. Your case is getting old. It's indicted some time ago, and the offense date was obviously early last year, so you need to try to get him hired if you can before that next court date.
Okay.
If it's not going to work for some reason with Mr. Jeffries, make sure you talk to at least 3 other attorneys. And if you can't hire any of those, bring me those names so I know you're trying and we'll discuss your options.
Okay.
Okay, step in front of the clerk, and if you'll put Jeffries on there.